theater. Okay. Crossroads kitchen with the full bar over there. Let's check out up there. Craps table here. Oh yeah, a lot of money going in and out here. Ooh, this one has a casino and lounge. Oh, okay. Prop board. Okay, we'll check over there later. Sun's out, buns out restaurant. I like the cracked egg chairs over there. A lot of fancy places. And more elephants. Wow. Whoa, look up there, dude. Big decorations. Circle car. Oh yeah. It's like a ball. Car ball.
The car is not.
Oh, look at that. Hey, Joe, look at that sphere over there. Whoa. Looking like a laughing, crying emoji right there. Oh, so this is the... Okay, I've seen that sphere a lot. A lot of people's Las Vegas videos. So this is where this is from. A lot of shopping. Place to shop over here after you win money from casino. there's third floor too. Very colorful. Starbucks, yes. If it's good quality. Oh, secret Starbucks here. Hi. Oh, so Fuhu is the restaurant name. So that the sphere over there is covered with the LED lights. Each panel has LED lights. Oh, there's a glitch over there. There's a glitch in Matrix. Sneaker. It's called Sneaker Garden. And this connects to. I think this is third level. This is like a 2.5. Let's see what's over here. I see a ladder over there, so maybe they're still working on this area. That takes you down to first floor. Let's go. Go to the third floor here. Another stairs up there, or escalator. Super high. Can we go one more up? Let's see. There, they blocked it, huh? Okay. Yeah, it's blocked, see? Yeah, I think it's most scary in like first 5 seconds. Oh, watch this, watch this.
I have the hiccups.
No, watch this, watch this. It's gonna come. I've seen this. Watch this. Oh, shark. Did you see the shark? Oh, it's coming here. Oh, is it gone? I think it's gone. Oh, no, it's still here. cracking. So right next to the sphere, we saw this white elephant, and then it says the boring elephant. Not just regular boring, but this is actually partnered with the Boring Company, which is owned by Elon Musk.
So Vegas Loop is coming soon. Vegas Loop is coming soon. That's what.
Yeah, they have one tunnel already. So I heard about the Tiger Sugar place. So we just ordered the C1. I don't know if you can see. Black sugar boba and pearl coffee latte with cream mousse. And then we changed it to the soy milk. You can upgrade to extra large by paying $150 more, which is not a bad idea. And they have teas as well, different type of teas. This is pretty good. It's very sweet. So if you don't like things too sweet, you might not like it. But it's okay. Good dessert drink. I guess it's based on Beverly Hills, so they have all these like movie decorations. We got Rambo. $5.50. New York style pizza, buffalo chicken, and pepperoni, which is $6.50. And when you order the food, they heat it up. They heat it for you in the oven. So so it feels nice and fresh. So we just got our pizza. It's a barbecue chicken. And what is this, Jess?
It's kind of
Hawaiian pizza. Okay. Alright, let me try the barbecue chicken here. Oh, very good. Oh wow. I like it.
Whoa. I'd say some pineapple with it. It's the bomb.
Yours is good? Yeah? Yeah, mine's really good too.